Okay guys, next is website customization. Okay, yeah, this is where you have to pay attention, and then on your own you also have to be able to play around some things. Okay, we are done with installing this guy, so I'm just going to close. Okay, so this is our home page. Okay, and then it's looking good, all right. So but now customization, you have to now customize it to make it look like what you want, all right. Okay, now but before we do that, you are going to need to just do some basic things on the Astra theme. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard. Any of this link here can take you to your dashboard. Okay, no, not any of this link, please. Okay, go to dashboard. Okay, I'm going to click on this. I'm going to be back to this page later, so let's just come here. So if you come to your dashboard, you're going to see appearance. You see Astra options, all right. So click on Astra options. We are customizing right now. Okay, there are a lot of things that you need to have to do. Okay, but you can come here first and check if it's before you prepare the things that you need to prepare. We're just going to be touching a few things here. Upload logo. If you have a logo for your site, this is the best time to upload it. Okay, so I'm going to click on upload. Okay, to upload your logo, you're going to okay, this pops up, customize option pops up. Okay, customize font. If you need to change your fonts, okay, you can do all that. Footer settings, okay, you're going to need to have to change that too. Okay, so all you are going to find in the customize option. Okay, we just want to do this basic ones first of all, and probably then header options. If you want to change your layout, okay, this is how you also work on that. All right, and then okay, so we have the footer settings. Okay, we have the footer widget, then we have the footer bar. Okay, so you can see copyright, web design class. Okay, powered by Astra. Usually you don't want this to be appearing on your site now. Okay, so you can just come here and just click on edit footer bar. Okay, edit footer bar, and then current year site title powered by. Okay, powered by. You can put, if you have a company, you can just put your company name, or better still just remove all the powered by. Okay, to get that resolved. Okay, all right. So but all right, so I'm going to hit the publish button. All right, so that takes care of the footer, and then we are going to be needing a logo. Okay, and then usually there's nothing, there should be nothing here. Okay, the logo that came with the thing. But if you already have a logo somewhere in your system, you can have it saved. Okay, so let's say upload logo. All you have to do, you come to upload logo, and then you select file, find where you put it on your system, where you located the logo. So I don't have any logo specifically for this site, so maybe I'll just find my company logo, and okay, smart company, okay, smart company website. All right, do I have logo here? Okay, this is not okay. Let me try that and see. This is the old logo. All right, so whatever you do, if it doesn't come out the way you want it, you can always I'm going to skip cropping. You can always change it. So I'm going to publish. All right, you can see the thing is looking so big and looking so stupid and useless. Okay, so it happens. So each time you set up something, you have to check, preview it, and see what it looks like. Okay, you can see this is looking like what I don't know. All right, so obviously the size is too much. Okay, so we can do a little reduction here. Okay, all right, you can see that now it's looking much more better, right? Okay, so that's it. Okay, I think that's better. All right, so then if you have if you have if you have what's it, an icon. Yes, you're going to need an icon. Okay, icon is, you see this WordPress thing that is appearing here. Okay, you have to change it. Okay, you don't want it to be that. Okay, you should already have your logo in an icon format saved in your in your system. Okay, so for that you're going to need a little bit of CorelDRAW and all that. So I'm just going to select a random picture here as my icon, and then hopefully, okay, let me still use my logo. Let me still use my logo, though I'm sure it's going to need a very small version of it. So I'm going to just okay, let's say something like this. All right, okay, that's the smallest it can go. All right, okay, all these are all, you should already have all these things saved on your system. Okay, so crop image, you should already have them saved. Okay, so you can see it's looking better now. Okay, I no longer have that WordPress. Then you can see the tagline. All right, this is where you edit your tagline. Okay, smart company web design class. All right, I can decide to even remove it totally. Okay, it seems it's looking too, I don't like the way it's displaying. Okay, so you can remove it. Okay, then a lot of things here you can play with. Alright, I'll advise you to play with them and see how they whatever you do here and it doesn't come out the way you like it, you can always remove it. Okay, so I'm going to hit on publish because it's looking more like what I want right now. So I'm going to click on publish. All right, okay, so that's the basic customization. We've uploaded our logo, we've changed our footer. Let me see if there's anything we can do here. Okay, all right. So okay, there are a lot of customizations that you can still do here, a lot, but we will not be able to cover everything. Okay, while we are here, we will not be able to cover everything, so we're going to just okay, here you can switch between layouts. You can see the way your layout is appearing. If you want your logo to appear in the middle, you can just click on that. Okay, it comes to the middle. All right, you can even want the logo to be on the left. Okay, which is cool. All right, something different. Okay, then that's it. Okay, all right, so I'm going to just ignore this setting. There's no need to change anything here, and then I'm going to just close. Okay, ignore them, don't save. All right, so that's it for our basic customizations. See you in the next class.